we got that? Yep, we have a custom. Oh, we have a custom. What? Frozen. Oh, yeah, that's what the other way behind the
Storming in here.
Nature has created a very different and less beautiful living system. And while
It's
this
hot
landscape may seem
in the desert.
very much alive, the plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. The mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm.
Yeah, chicken.
little dog barking.
No, the chicken on top of the mailbox. Look at that dog. Ah. That's so cute. There's a farm at the back.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like ladybugs and wasps, to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can
Yet still respect the needs of the land. Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all.
The sand.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the
The
world.
rice.
These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petal, are edible. The structured root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
Loaded pumpkin. Pineapple guava. I never heard pineapple guava. And banana. Cacao.
When we mention farming,
Hey, look
nearly
at that.
half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here,
Tilapia.
are three of the more popular crops raised by
Harbor
fish farmers.
bass.
The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect natural resources.
Look at that shrimp. Fresh water.
Grains growing here, maize, sorghum,
Prickly
and millet,
pear
plus
cactus.
rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
I like lemongrass. Yes. Hot pepper.
Extremely hot.
Extremely hot. Very hot.
Edible flowers.
Circles. Restore. Edible color. Look at the huge eggplant.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing tech, water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our
Look at the eggplant here. Eggplant tree. I never see eggplant like this big.
We are significantly
eggplant.
reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area.
Giant tomatoes. That's giant. Tomato
Some of our
tree.
best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these brown plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of land every year.
Oh, cucumber. Let's try cucumber.
Plants grown in this way use a
Carrots.
fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less.
Going back.
In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture.